Okay, so now we've unlocked the voice activation. If we we press the button here.
Ready.
Settings.
Select one of the following: pairing options, confirmation prompts, language, password, select phone, or select music player.
Pairing options.
Select one of the following: pair, edit, delete, list, or set code.
Pair.
Start pairing procedure on the device. See the device manual for instructions. The pairing code is 2126.
So, hands-free system, click on that, 2126, pair, allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow, hands-free system there, connected. That's it, that's how you do it.
Please say the name of the device after the beep.
Barry's iPhone 12.
Adding,
Barry's iPhone 12.
is this correct?
Yes.
Pairing complete. Would you like to import the contacts from your mobile device now? This may take several minutes.
No.
Available options are yes or no, or say cancel to return to main menu.
No. Okay, so that's how you pair a mobile. Of course, you've got to have Bluetooth on, and the PIN number doesn't come up, so make sure you're listening to the PIN number, because I've just had to do it twice.